Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Fanatical Traveler. This video is focused on the unboxing of something I recently bought. A power bank. While traveling sometimes we go to the place where electricity is not available. Like camping in mountains, or you have really long journey where you miss the power socket. I have one power bank which I bought from Chroma. It's of 10,400 megahertz. Let me show you that. So this is the one I got from Chroma. I'm just putting it on my palm so that you can estimate its size. So this one is very handy and it's very easy to carry. I bought it 3 years back and it's working fine till now. But I had to get one more because now my requirement increased and majorly I bought this one. This is Redmi power bank from Amazon with 20,000 megahertz, which can help me charge my DSLR and mobile toys. So I'm going to unbox this in front of you. Okay. So I'm going to open this. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the one. It's again packed. This one is easy to open. As you can see, it's matte black. I'm just putting it again on my palm. You can estimate its size again. So power bank are most important essential for my next trip. So let's check if there is anything else in this box or not. There should be. This is the charger. Yeah, so this one is the charger. This is Redmi power bank and this is Chroma. Okay, so this is very important for my next trip. Yeah, stay tuned for the name to be revealed of my next trip. Link for both the power bank are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay tuned, like, subscribe and support this channel. Bye bye.